Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install and set up the Marshall app for your headphones on an iPhone. Open the App Store, go to Search, and search for Marshall. You should see the Marshall Bluetooth app. Tap Get and authorize with Face ID or your Apple ID password. Tap Open, then Allow. Tap the stick icon to agree to the end user license agreement, then tap Next. Skip the newsletter and data sharing. Tap Device, and with your headphones turned on and not paired to anything else, tap Add to connect. Now you're good to go. Goodbye.